Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two drones, the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is priced at $39, making it an affordable option for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with a price tag of $249, offering more advanced features. It all depends on your budget and requirements. Moving on to the camera category. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone features vibrant LEDs that light up the drone during flight, creating a visually appealing experience. However, it does not have a built-in camera. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera, guaranteeing stunning and vivid footage from a bird's eye view. If capturing high-quality aerial shots is your priority, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is the way to go. Now let's talk about flight performance. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is designed for indoor use and comes equipped with smart obstacle avoidance motion sensors. It can be controlled by hand, making it a fun and interactive experience for beginners and kids. However, it has a flight time of 8 minutes per 50 minutes of charge. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is designed for outdoor use and features powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries, providing a stable and longer flight time of 90 minutes. It also has a maximum remote control distance of 1,000 meters. If you're looking for longer flight time and outdoor capabilities, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is the winner in this category. Let's move on to the features category. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is a US-certified STEM toy, making it a great option for educational purposes. It also has a webbed shell design that protects hands, walls, and furniture from the propellers. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone offers a range of features such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. It also has advanced functions like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. If you're looking for a drone with advanced features and intelligent flight capabilities, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is the one for you. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here is the overall assessment of the two drones. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Both drones have their own unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.